Passengers, we are back again today with some more G3. Yes, prepare for your death. Oh god, why do I have to do this? No, stop.
Fighting for some pony fun. You have to
Eh,
Sparkle Work.
whatever.
And don't forget Sunny Days.
Sunny
With
days.
so many friends, the inviting never ends.
She's waving.
That one, they should be here too.
They look like they could just gnaw on some human bones. You know?
Just reach the sky before we're through. We want to share the fun with simply
Oh god, please don't ever.
everyone in Ponyville, Unicornia, Butter,
Unicornia?
and Percy Blossom. Oh, and you're coming, right?
Nope. I'm never coming.
We're gonna need a ton of stamps for that many invitations. I'm on it.
I'm on it. That ladybug's like, please get away from me. I don't want your germs.
Delighted to know you were invited, 'cause everybody's welcome. We're waiting
They just spin. That's all they ever do is spin.
for you to be invited for some pony.
Fun. I'm trying to. What's going on anymore? Song. I mean, I know it's a song. Never mind. It's just like.
Some tea is green, some tea is black, and nothing could be finer. It started growing years ago, high in the hills of China.
I'm trying to.
China, by the way, is also what we
What's
call
going
the cup.
on
And
anymore?
when you lift it to your lips, remember pinkies up.
China, by the way, is also what we call the cup. And when you lift it to your lips, remember pinkies up.
Remember pinkies up.
Teacups are cool, China, because
When in doubt, pinky out.
maybe he said these teacups were made in China.
Well, I mean, a lot of other stuff is.
Ladies!
What the heck?
Bringing tea from China to a princess Portuguese. She wed the king of England, who with his tea did take a little milk and sugar and a tasty bit of
Woohoo.
cake.
She wed the king of
They're just hugging.
His tea to take a little milk and sugar and a
He throws the
tasty
cup
bit
down.
of
I can't stand this anymore.
I love cake. Me too. Do you think it will be chocolate? Don't know.
I'm going to have cake.
Pardon me, I am just trying to finish this song.
We'd rather have
I mean, I'd like some cake.
As you were, ladies.
Maybe some chicken salad too.
Soon the people everywhere were having tea with cake, and thus a new tradition was about
Woohoo!
to overtake. As every afternoon they gather friends and family.
I'm getting into this song. This is a pretty good song.
They have a tea party.
every afternoon they gather friends
And if you didn't and if you didn't drink tea, you got flogged.
Tea party.
Oh my gosh. They just start
Today we
tossing
drink
it.
everywhere at home or in the diner. To think the story
They're just
began
all
upon a
doing
hill
it.
in
They're
China.
doing the
Now
jig.
Don't forget that China's also what we call the cup. And when you lift it to your lips, remember pinkies up.
When in doubt, pink. Oh gosh.
Also what we call the cup. Hey, what about the salsa?
And when you lift it to your lips,
When you lift it to your lips, remember
Pinkies up.
pinkies up.
Welp. I burned myself because I.
Do you have anything extra special that will, oh, I don't know, darling, razzle dazzle me?
Razzle dazzle.
you.
Razzle dazzle.
That's a tall order.
Tall.
Try a new color. A new color?
Come
Like
on.
fuchsia.
It'll be fun.
Really, darling?
Maybe some fuchsia.
Try a new color on for
No,
size.
think. And then they're back. They will never leave me. I'm gonna be recording some other video for Riffington Station, and all of a sudden there's gonna be those freaking ladybugs again. Oh my lord.
You couldn't do prettier than pink.
Obviously, that's what she would say. Like, I don't understand.
I think you'd be a vision of violet.
Violet's pretty cool, I guess. No, I'd rather stay Violet.
And bright shiny orange.
Orange! The noise. Her eyelid's kind of broken.
Glow.
Oh god.
You make spectacular
Oh, wait.
scenery, dressed up like a meadow of greenery.
Meadow of greenery.
See it. Try a new color
Was that Thistle
on
Whistle?
your side.
Swear to gosh.
New color on
Please don't be
your
Thistle Whistle.
side. You just might be surprised.
Nod, nod. If she's eating it, just make it stop.
And soon you'll see there's endless possibilities.
Yee yee.
Try a new color on.
Bubby.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow.
You know what they say, the boa is always greener on the other pony. The colors are so beautiful.
Yes, they are.
Oh God, they
You know,
just
Rainbow Dash, we tried to
rocket
razzle-dazzle
power.
you, but you're beautiful just the way you are. We are.
Wow. You gotta shoehorn in that message.
All
All right. I think I'd rather play Sonic Heroes than do. Oh God, no, 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 no.
Here's me.
Me.
Exactly what I am is fine. I'm every bit of just divine, darling.
Oh God, God dang it, Bubby. They're kissing again. Yee. What's next? Oh my God. Oh my God. No.
Razzle-dazzle, who could it be?
Oh, the trumpet. Oh God, no.
Stepping out to the disco drums. Unicornia, here she comes. I love it.
Yeah. The
Disco, disco dash.
Solid gold.
Disco, disco dash. It's your chance.
I'm becoming infected.
Good.
It's all over me. I'm catching it.
Marvelous.
I have the cancer.
Ponies light up the disco scene. Yellow, violet, pink, and green.
Yellow, violet. The Asian kid is
And
just
free
like.
and feeling fine. Come on, girls, it's time to shine.
It didn't just happen. I didn't edit that in. That just happened. Oh my God, I'm crying. This is too much. Oh. What's wrong? That kid's just mad. She's like, just go dash. Oh God. Oh my God. No. No, don't break that. That girl. Oh, that's Minty. Oh my God, it's Minty. Oh God. Please make it stop. Make it stop.
Be a bumping good idea. Oh, I'm down with this. All you ponies gather round. I put a hip-hop beat to a disco sound. It's a brand new way to start your style. Ooh, just call me Sir Mix It Up.
Mix it up.
Oh, yes.
Darling. D-dab-a-dab. Oh my God, D-dab. Yes. Oh yeah, D-dab.
Watch this.
He's still going.
Check me out, Doc.
You shake, shake, shake. Shake your body. Oh God, I'm gonna die. Do it, Minty. Dance like you've never danced before. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your cutie. That girl's like having a fit. Hips.
Shaking it.
I can't believe that was Minty. Like,
Bye, Spike. Bye, Spike. Fun talking with you. Rarity, where you been? Having fun like always.
oh my God, what is wrong with this?
And you're
Hey there, Minty.
Streamers into the balloon.
Oh my god, I can't believe that it's her. Like, that's like the worst character ever. From what I've seen of Generation 3, Minty's like, literally she's Satan. She just tries to go after everything and destroy it.
I'm not always perfect. Please, don't you dare tell a soul. How many rules do I never break? I think the answer's none. I try and I try.
I think the answer's none.
Basically, I just wanna have fun.
Yeah.
Gee, it's a blast when you go exploring. Hard not
Exploring?
to learn something new.
Oh, jeez, Rick. I don't think exploring's a good idea.
Doing what they say I should do.
She's like photo hopping. I think I'm going to have a stroke. This is amazing. I found out that this is actually perfect.
That basically I just want to have fun.
Fun! Oh,
Helping can be fun when you are doing what you love to do. I made the invitations and had lots of fun, it's true. When I'm arranging flowers, the time just seems to fly. And nothing makes me giggle like a rainbow in the sky.
Like a rainbow in the sky.
So within it, there's nothing quite as fun as when I'm dressing up a friend. And when your friends are with you, then anything is fun.
Oh, this is so fun,
All of us
darling.
together can do so much more than one.
Wait, I can't tell the difference between that one and then Rainbow Dash. Like, I guess they're like a little bit darker.
That I didn't see it right here in front of my eyes.
My eyes!
Finding that fun is to help each other. What a fantastic surprise!
Woohoo!
Just share a laugh or a smile with friends, and soon the work is done.
Oh, what he's doing! I like how Spike comes in and he's just trotting. He's like, yeah! With his fake British accent. Fun! Oh, the wink. Make it stop.
Especially when we all do it together.
Together.
Streamers. That's fun. Check.
Check.
Darlings, look how high in the sky it's going. Do you all see the balloon?
Nope.
My friend.
The chick, she's just, oh my god, she was, her mouth was a gape.
Oh, my flowers look so lovely floating among the clouds.
It's all so exciting.
Well then, let's get going.
Bye, Pinky.
Would you lead the way? You bet.
You
Follow
bet.
me, everyone. Stand up and march with us.
How do you march as a pony? Well, never mind. I just figured it out. Cornea.
I love a parade.
The joy. In just a moment, we'll be there. How long?
A moment. She just said a moment.
The palace gates open wide. All the world will smile at our very best dressed up tea party style.
Yeah.
Come on, Pinkie Pie, hurry up! Oh, I just have this sinking feeling I've forgotten something really big. Hip hip hooray!
Well, what have you forgotten? Are you gonna tell us? Are you gonna squink? Are you gonna squink?
We'll have a cup, say pinkies up,
Pinkies up. But you have hooves. How does that work? Oh wait, how does that work? They have hooves. How can they do pinkies up? Wink.
Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Look and see.
Oh my god, it's Unicornia!
Oh!